Hi everyone, I'm Dennis and welcome to Monolith ECAD. In this video we'll design a simple 500 MHz low-pass filter from scratch. We'll build the schematic, simulate its frequency response, tune the component values in real time, and finally use automatic optimization to improve the design. Let's get started. First we'll create a new schematic. Then we'll place the inductors and capacitors that form our low-pass filter. Now, we'll connect the components and complete the circuit. With the schematic ready, we can begin analyzing its frequency response. We'll create a rectangular graph and add an S21, S11, S22 measurement. S21 shows how much of the signal is transmitted through the filter from the input port to the output port. Next, we'll configure and run an AC frequency sweep. The simulation result appears directly on the graph, allowing us to evaluate the filter across the entire frequency range. The initial response gives us a good starting point. Now, let's use interactive tuning to adjust the component values. As the values change, the frequency response updates immediately. This makes it easy to see how each component affects the shape of the filter response. After finding a suitable response manually, we can use automatic optimization to refine the design. First, we'll define the component values that the optimizer is allowed to change. Then we'll add the optimization goals that describe the response we want to achieve. The optimizer now searches for a better combination of component values based on those goals. The graph updates as new solutions are evaluated, so we can follow the optimization process, convergence and optimization strategies with every release. Even at this stage, it can provide a useful starting point and reduce the amount of manual tuning required. And that's it. We've designed, simulated, tuned, and optimized a complete RF low-pass filter using Monolith ECAD. This is Monolith ECAD professional circuit design rebuilt for touch.